Lately, I've been thinking a lot about the younger version of myself. What would I tell her that might keep her from making some of the same mistakes that I'd made? That younger version of me that is stuck in the cycle of toxic relationships one after the other? The girl who is just one relationship away from marrying the next toxic man she meets? I remember several years ago, I did a women's conference whose theme was to address that very thought. Here's a clip from a video I did discussing it.
There are so many women of God that are in these toxic cycles. And, I deal primarily with those that are considering divorce or who have been through divorce. But there are so many that are still at the cycle of toxic relationship stage before they get into a toxic marriage, and they realize that this is not God's plan for me. I want to get out of this. But what has happened is that there's been so much pain, so much hurt, so much toxicity, and so much adversity that they have completely put walls up and shut their hearts down. And as a result, they're walking around with masks on. And so that's one of the things that I, have seen is that there's so many women who are walking around and they're acting like they have it all together, and they have these masks on where they are doing everything they can to stay busy and not have to think about how bad things are, and not have to think about how their situation has just turned into something that they don't even recognize anymore. And so they have these masks on where they just are not showing the world who they are anymore. They are showing the world this busy, I'm okay, I'm busy version of themselves where, they're focused on anything other than dwelling on or focusing on or giving any attention to how bad their life has become. That is the problem, because what's happening is that behind closed doors in their hearts, they're crying out to God and saying, God, I want deliverance from this. I want to get out of this. I don't want to be in this cycle anymore. I want change in my life. I want you to fix my situation. But the problem is that if you've closed your heart off and you've put these walls up, you can't then ask God to come in if you have walls up. He's not, going to break the door down. You have to let him in. And so you want him to come in, but you want him to break the door down. You don't want to take the walls down for him to come in. And so what's happening is that, yes, you're crying out to him, and yes, he wants to help you, but you won't take the walls down. And that means you've got to be vulnerable. That means you've got to admit that this sucks. This is not God's plan for me, and I don't like this. You can't, be to where I'm just going to avoid it. I'm going to stay busy. I'm not going to think about it, because that's keeping you in bondage. That's keeping you where, it's like if you have a sore and you know that it's getting infected, you can't just say, I'm just going to ignore it, right? That's not a thing. You can't just say, oh, well, we're not going to pay it any attention. It'll be all right. Like, that's not a thing. You have to pay it some attention. You have to actually give it some care. You have to actually admit that I'm hurting.
So what I would say to my younger self is put your walls down and go to the doctor. Invite the balm in Gilead, the ultimate healer, into your life, not just into your religious life, but into your relationship life. Ask him, the Father, to call the shots, provide direction, and don't move until he speaks. Relationships are not something to take lightly. They literally decide your future. You are much too valuable to entertain anyone that isn't God sent.
So, what is Freedom Through Divorce? Well, Freedom Through Divorce is actually an online school full of personal development courses for women of God who have been through divorce or who are considering divorce. Anyone who has had to deal with divorce understands that it is extremely difficult. There are so many balls that you have to juggle. Will the children be okay? Is this something that God is going to be okay with? How does it affect my relationship with God? How am I going to learn how to be independent as a new single person or a new single mom? And there's so many things you have to consider. And as a Christian, there are just so few resources out there to help you understand how to navigate those things. So this is a school that really goes from considering divorce and understanding God's views on divorce, when it's acceptable, when it's not acceptable, and understanding that there are so many more cases where God sees divorce as acceptable than what is normally taught out there. And it does it in a way that is not condescending, that's not judgmental, that is just giving you the information from God's heart. And most importantly, is from someone that's been through what you're going through. It's not just theology. It's not just, I read this or I heard this, but it's someone that's actually walked through it. So the personal development courses are meant to help you move and experience freedom through divorce, because there's so many people who they get a divorce, but they don't thrive afterwards. They stay stuck. They stay bitter. They stay telling anyone that'll listen how terrible their ex is. And that's not God's plan for you. God wants you to be able to move towards the purpose and plan that he has for your life and to thrive so that the chapter of your life post-divorce is better. That's what the word says. It says your latter days shall be greater than the former days. So that's what freedom through divorce is all about. It's personal development courses that you can take the information from a biblical perspective and experiencing God's freedom, his prosperity, his love, his joy, his peace, all of the fruits of the Spirit and the blessings that he sent his son to die for you to be able to have. Just because you've had to go through a divorce does not mean that you are negated from the promises that God has for you. So that's what freedom through divorce is. If you're interested in learning more, visit our school today.
If you're that younger version of me and you've enjoyed this content, then you can click here to watch the full original video. If you're a woman of faith impacted by toxic marriage or divorce, then visit my website at www.freedomthroughdivorceshop.com. God bless you on your journey to freedom.